Hi, math fans. My name's Ratio, and you are tuned into the Math Surgery. Today, we're going to be looking at a sum that's been sent in by one of my students. The sum is as follows: 24 is what percentage of 60? Question mark. Right. When you get a sum like this, the first thing you have to do, well, the way I do it, I just do this. Draw a little arrow like that. And then I write 24 is equal to brackets x and then brackets 60. Right, let's explain. 24 is what percent of 60? So 24 is equal to what percent? We don't know what it is, so we put x of 60. So what percent is x? And then you've got 60 at the end. So what you really do is you've got this whole sentence here. And look at the bits I take out. 24 is just equal what percent x of, the brackets means times, and 60 in the other bracket. So all I've done is strip this away and left me with a mathematical sum. Okay? So once we do that, I can write that sum over here now. So if I say 24 is equal to brackets, you've got x, and then you've got brackets, you've got 60. All right? So now, what we're really saying here is that basically 24 is equal to x times 60. So we know over here, if this is times, what happens when we move it around here? It becomes divide. So now your new sum will be 24 divided by 60 is equal to x. You see the way all we've done is move this round to this side, and when you move it round to here, it becomes divide. Now, you don't have to understand this formula. All you need to know is that when you get this first line, you pick out the important bits, which is the number, yeah, is equal to what percent is x, and 60 is that. Then you bring that down to your second line. So this is what you've got, okay? Now, all you're going to do is you have to isolate x. So the way you isolate x by keeping it on its own is moving this number. If you move it round to here, it's in a division state. It's in a time state here. Let's put a little time. It's in a time state here, yeah? And you're moving it there, so it's going to become divide. Okay? So then you have the sum 24 divided by 60. And 24 divided by 60 gives you 0.4. So now 0.4 is equal to x. But what they've asked us to do is 24 is what percent. So they've asked us to find a percent. And to do that, we have to times this number here. We have to times that by 100.
Later that same evening.
40% is x. So therefore, and that's a sign for therefore, x is equal to 40%. If there's any part of this video that you're not quite sure about, just rewind it and just follow the process. My name's Ratio, and I'm out of here.
Hi guys. You can speak.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. Before you click off this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Bye.